Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Radiance Eternity, which is located in Thuraipakkam, Chennai, a project developed by Radiance Realty. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now we are standing in front of the marketing office of the project, and this is the marketing office. And now about the land parcel is just on my right hand side over here, where the construction work is in progress. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's do the project overview. So basically this project is spread across 2.2 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 blocks. Each block of 2 basements, tilt plus 10 and 22 floors. Additionally, this project will be having 215 apartments in all, with 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is located bang on OMR Main Road in Thuraipakkam, Chennai. So basically the project will be having 2 exits. This is the back gate and main gate is from OMR Main Road. Now let me show you the connectivity. So basically this road will connect you on my back hand side to Pirangudi. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect OMR Junction in just 2 minutes from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities let me show you through this miniature. Here's the cricket pitch, half basketball court, badminton court, outdoor gymnasium, kids play area, and even you'll be having few amenities on the rooftop like this swimming pool with sea view and many more amenities in this project. Now coming to the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project is a combination of 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. 2 BHK starting from 1356 to 1395 square feet. 3 BHK 1714 to 2172 square feet. 4 BHK starting from 2618 to 2711 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model plate as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Radiance Eternity, which is located in Thuraipakkam, Chennai, a project developed by Radiance Realty.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.